to give the EFF vote to the ANC. Nationally, if it doesn't get
kanza kwethu interview kaMalema izolo ibe 1 hour and 30 minutes lapha ku Alex FM. 1 hour and 30 minutes kukhulunywa nje isingisi political English. Ngayithatha ngayihumusha ngase ke ngiletha la kule channel ngesizulu. Ngangakwazi ukuthi ngifake ivideo ezisholo yena ngenxa yelokhuzana ngenxa yama copyright issues ngisabela ichannel yami ukuthi ingase iginqwe phansi uma ngatholala ukuthi khona ivideo engiyithathile ngaphandle kwemvumo ngazoyifaka la. Kodwa ngezizathu sokuthi ngiyabona ukuthi kubaningi abantu abangithukayo nabantu abathi nginamanga sengibona ukuthi ke angiyithathe le risk ngulethe le video uyizwele wena ukuthi uMalema ubekade ke ethini ngenkathi elapha ya kwi Alex FM mawukuthi futhi nawo le video ozoyibona uyikholwa kungcono ukuthi ke useshe yona ngqo Alex FM lapha ku YouTube na ku Twitter na ku Facebook uzoyibona ke interview yonke egcwele mangabe usuqedile ke uphinde ubuyeke la ekhaya ungicophe subscribe ulike ke bese ke uyakhomenta kule nkulumo ke kaMalema ukuthi ke wena ngokucabanga kwakho ucabanga ukuthi ke lithini kahle kahle itulo lika Malema ngaphambi kwale nkulumo yakhe ngana kwethu awuyizwele ukuthi ke uMalema bethi
this mayor, we don't mind, we don't care, but we need 5 MMCs. Why? We knew that's where the power is. The mayor must cut ribbons, but whose ribbons? Whose projects is the mayor going to cut ribbons for? It's our projects. We decide where this thing goes. So the ANC can't differentiate, and a lot of people can't differentiate between power and the glory. I'm prepared to give the EFF vote to the ANC. Nationally, if it doesn't get 50%,
and you don't need the glory of being a deputy president.
No, I don't need that. Then I'll make one demand: make Floyd Shibambo Minister of Finance. That's all.
I think they're going to refuse that.
Once we take that finance, because that's where the problem is, and the President Ramaphosa knows that. The problem in this country is a Department of Finance that is owned and controlled by Stellenbosch, and which engages in anti-poor policies. You need a radical, and it is so disappointing that a guy like David Masondo, who, by the way, taught us these things that we are talking about, goes there, and the next thing is counted in dinners with the Ruperts and them, because we thought with the introduction of that guy, that thing is going to be radicalized.
You don't think he can be the next Minister of Finance if the ANC was in total power?
I will not support him. They can decide. I don't care who they decide. It's their own thing. But I'm saying to you, if I've got this power, that I can influence which decision. I'm not obsessed with being president or deputy president.
You know that conventions that are taking place.
I can outsign a president. If you make me a minister of sports, arts and culture,
that's probably why they
you will think I'm a president.
That's probably why they're nervous. Don't you think so? That
they're not nervous.
Part of the conversations in the ANC about coalescing with the EFF is more about personality, that they can't stand to imagine you as deputy president of a country.
You see, my problem and what is going to kill me is a generational jealousy and envy, and not from anyone, from the people I grew up with, from the people I supported. They are the ones who are like, no, it's not going to happen. So I don't care about generational jealousy. I can die and 5 times and still wake up. I will still find them where they are.
Ngana kwethu sona singisike leso bisikade ke sivetezo Malema lapha na ke lokhuzana kwi Alex FM mawukuthi nje umuntu ke ofana nathi nje walapha eAfrika owakhula ke veteza nje ulimi lwakubo kusuka ekseni lize loshona ilanga mhlawumbe uvuka ekseni ukhuluma isiXhosa uzuyolala uvuka ekseni ukhuluma isiZulu uzuyolala uvuka ekseni ukhuluma isipedi ukhuluma isisuthu ukhuluma noma ngabe luphi nje ulimi lwangakini lize kuze kuyolala akukho lula ukuthi ke uzwe okanye nje ubamba amagama kalula kulesingisi leselokhuzana kulesingisi ke sepolitiki ingakho ke ngithe ngikuhumushele ivideo yakhona ikhona la kule channel ngiyacela ukuthi kwenze iqiniso ugijime kuyona ucofa subscribe bese ke uya like comment futhi kulolu daba namhlanje ngiyabonga.